You've seen it before. A guy who's average at best, nothing special, yet somehow he's with a girl way out of his league, and you're sitting there wondering, what does he have that I don't? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how these guys do it, step by step. Why do women sleep with guys who aren't even their type? Guys they said they wouldn't go for. It's not about looks. It's not about money. It's not even about being her type. It's about something else. It's compliance. The art of leading her step by step until she's doing things she never imagined she would, and loving every second of it. Let's talk about how real closers make it happen. But fair warning, this isn't about manipulation. It's not about tricking her into something she doesn't want. That's weak. That backfires. That's not what we teach. This is about masculine leadership, trust, desire, momentum. So she follows your lead willingly because she's into you. That's the only way this works. Compliance doesn't just mean she says yes to which table to sit at or where to go. That's beginner level. Real compliance game is when she gives you her number, she agrees to meet you, she texts you first, she accepts your touch, she kisses you back, she comes to your place, she gets intimate because she wants to, she stays the night and wakes up smiling. Each of those is a compliance checkpoint. And here's the truth. Every girl has her own timeline, but the guy who gets her there knows how to build it, step by step. He is the guy who can get the most attractive women without being the most good-looking or the richest guy. Think of it like a ladder. You don't jump from step 1 to step 10. That's how most guys fail, even when she seemed into him, and then he is confused about what went wrong. They try to skip from step 3 to step 7. You must navigate her compliance level and build trust, tension, and curiosity with each step. Step 1. Emotional compliance. She laughs, she replies, she engages. This means she's open to you. Now you escalate. Step 2. Physical compliance. This is the one most guys screw up. Sitting closer, touching her hand, guiding her across the street, putting your arm around her, going for the kiss. If she accepts the small stuff, you earn the right to go further. Step 3. Contact compliance. Let's keep in contact. Drop me your number. If she gives you her number, that's a yes, and you move forward. Step 4. Logistics compliance. Let's get a drink this week. Is Wednesday or Thursday better? She says yes? Good. Now you're not just a guy she met. You are a man she is dating. Step 5. Intimate compliance. Let's bounce to mine. You'll love the vibe. I have a nice collection of books I would like to show you. You don't jump to this. You arrive here. Because every previous yes built momentum. And when it's done right, it doesn't feel like pressure. It feels inevitable. Pro tip, don't invite her over without giving her a reason. Not because she needs one, but because it helps her feel classy, not cheap. It can be simple. I'll show you my book collection. Or let's have that tea I mentioned. Here's a rule closers live by. You don't escalate until she complies with the last step. You don't go for the kiss if she's pulling away from your hand. You don't invite her back if she hesitated to even sit next to you. You don't push for her to be intimate with you if she hasn't leaned into your presence yet. Most guys rush. They think boldness means skipping steps. It doesn't. Boldness is having the patience to move with precision. Every yes opens the next door. That's how she feels safe, turned on and in control, while you lead the entire thing. If you found this video valuable, do me a favor and give the video a like. It helps the channel a lot. Thanks, bro. Now what if she resists? Objections are part of the game. It doesn't mean she's not into you. It means you triggered uncertainty. Handle it like this. Objection 1. She says, I don't kiss on the first date. You say that's fine. I'm just testing the chemistry to see how it feels. We're not picking out baby names. Objection 2. She says, I'm not ready to go back to your place. You say, cool. Let's walk for a bit. See how we feel later. The key. Don't push. Don't freeze. Reframe, stay calm and lead again. When you don't make a big deal of it, she doesn't either. Pro tip. Sometimes the objection won't be spoken. She just pauses, goes quiet or shifts her energy. Read that. Slow down. Rebuild comfort. Look, compliance isn't about manipulation. It's not tricking her into anything. It's about vibing with her, making her feel safety, excitement, desire, and the deeper the compliance, the deeper the connection. The hotter the night, the more unforgettable the experience. That's why some guys get rejected, and others wake up with her in their bed, smiling, wanting more. Your lead, her response. That's the game, and now you've got the playbook. If you're serious about learning how to build this in your dating apps and texting, step by step like a pro, then check out my Dating Apps Cheat Codes course, link below. We break all this down and show you the profile creation, text scripts, date frameworks, and moves that actually work. No fluff, no guesswork, just what gets results. Like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, practice the art of getting compliance, because once you understand how to build it, she'll never look at you the same way again.